Good morning, children. Today we are studying grammar, chapter 13, perfect tenses, present tense, and past future tenses. Tenses that tell us about the actions that we are begun in the past and complete before the present time are said to be in the present perfect tense. We add has, have, the past participle form to express this tense. We use the present perfect tense to speak about the unspecified time in the past. For example, I have met him once. We have seen that movie many times. People have traveled to the moon. To speak about the experiences, these are experiences. For example, I have been to France twice. Maya has written a new novel. John has studied two foreign languages. To talk about a change that has happened over time. For example, my English has improved since I moved to America. The child has grown since I last saw it. To speak about events, actions, and situations that are expected to happen. For example, Shivraj has not finished his mission yet. Nagma has not danced yet. Past perfect tense. Sentences that tell us about the actions that more completed before another action in the past are said to be in the past perfect tense. We use had past participle to express this tense. The past perfect tense expresses an action in the past that took place before another action. For example, when I reached the station, the train had already left. I had just reached home when it began to rain. Future perfect tense. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action what will be completed sometime in the future. Usually this action will be completed before something also happens of certain time in the future. For example, I shall have graduated by the time one turns 21. She will have left by the time you get to our house. Christina will not have finished getting her hair done by noon. Now exercise. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of the verbs given in the brackets. This is the present perfect verb. They have gone for a concert. We have lost our puppy. The police has arrested the criminals. Nikhil has broken his hand. I have never eaten Chinese food. Nobody has ever climbed that mountain. Manas is fantastic author. He has written as creative books. I have told him to stay on the path while biking. Change the verbs in the simple present tense to present perfect tense. Rewrite the sentences. Spectators gather to watch the monkey show. Spectators have gathered to watch the monkey show. Urvashi goes to gym for the morning exercise. Urvashi has gone to the gym for the morning exercise. People hear the news about the earthquake. People have heard the news about the earthquake. Tapas brings the goods to his house. Tapas has brought the goods to his house. They drink water the polluted well. They have drank water from a polluted well. Naushad gives his parents bouquet of flowers on their marriage anniversary. Naushad has given his parents to bouquet of their marriage anniversary. Bharat represents his school in the interstate competition. Bharat has represented his school in the interstate competition. An elephant arrives at the gate of my school. An elephant arrived at the gate of my school. Now fill in the blanks using past perfect form of the verb. Vinod had not read $100 until a joint library. Rimi had just eaten her dinner when we asked for the joiners. Meenal had just entered the house when the phone rang. When Neha woke up, the sun had already risen. The girl had woven a beautiful pullover with wool. The animals had died because of the hot weather. The cook had cut the vegetable into different shapes. The author had written a book about the amazing Indian facts. Now fill in the blanks using simple past or the past perfect of the verbs. Veronica missed her friend who had gone out of the town. Nazima wanted to complete the work as soon as possible. Meenal forgot to return my sari too. She had called me up to apologize. Farid received an award because had scored the highest marks in the test. John called his father at work before he had left for his trip. When she arrived, the match had already started. After Minnie spent her holiday in Germany, she wanted to learn German. Before he sang a song, he had played a guitar. Now fill in the verbs in the brackets in the future perfect tense. Trisha will have packed her suitcase by tomorrow. She will have visited Paris by end of the next month. The police will have arrested the driver. We shall have done in the washing by 9 o'clock. Mary will have left by next week. If we can do that, then we shall have fulfilled our mission. They will have written their essay by tomorrow. She will have discussed this with her father tonight.